So that's some of the fabric I have here, as you can see behind me, and I was wondering, can I sublimate on some of these? Now, a lot of these businesses are no longer in business. They closed for whatever reasons. I am unsure actually of a couple of them. But I was wondering, can I sublimate on cloth diaper fabric? The issue with this would be is the lining on the back. That makes it not necessarily waterproof, but it kind of retains liquid. I used vinyl on this before and it worked. Like I was able to attach vinyl, like vinyl hide it, like it just worked. The question now is, will sublimation work on this? You see, the sublimation temperature is about 85 degrees higher. It's definitely going to be a lot more considering the type of fabric it is, and you're supposed to hold or press the sublimation a lot longer than the vinyl. So I don't think that I can, we'll see. We're gonna try this. So I have some scrap pieces that I was trying to give away. These pieces can be used for anything. A lot of people use them to make smaller diapers for like dolls and things like that. I'm gonna try it on these. I have a feeling that it might melt the back. We're gonna try it anyways. First thing I want to do is I'm gonna clean up the pieces, and I'm gonna get a usable piece out of both of these. I'm gonna try it anyways. I'm excited, curious, and we are going to figure this out. So I'm gonna get some usable pieces out of this. I mean, even if I can make a keychain cloth diaper, I think it will be great. So I'm gonna cut these up. I have a piece, not very big, but it's good enough to experiment on. I mean, this is all kind of like a mini experiment to see how this is going to turn out. I think that I won't sublimate this at the full 400. I think I'll do more like a 385 in a little less time, just to get started. And then I'll do the other one at the like 400 and then like the whole 45 seconds and see how it turns out. So I'm gonna pick designs, and I still gotta cut this one, but this is gonna be a bigger piece. I feel like I can get a bigger piece out of this maybe. No, it's just about the same. Okay, so let me cut the second piece. Let me find two designs. I might do the same design twice maybe. Like, we'll figure this out. Alright, so I have my two samples that we're gonna try to sublimate. Oh man, I feel bad, but not really, because these are like scrap pieces, but at the same time this will be amazing if this works. So I want to pick from something that I already have. I don't want to find any new designs just yet, because I mean, it's just an experiment, but let's see. Both done. So I did one close to the 400, but only for 20 seconds. And let me take this off real quick. I'll probably use the paper again to sublimate something else, because just about all of the ink stayed on there. So it came out very, very light. This is like 20 seconds, and again, this is cloth diaper, the fabric they used to make cloth diapers. So very, very light. Alright, so I left this one a little bit longer. It stuck to the butcher paper, so I had to let it cool down and unstick it. And it almost like, I'm not sure if it like melted. It doesn't look melted, but it doesn't have the same texture. See how, I'm not sure you can see, like this has more of a shinier back. This one lost a little bit of that. So I'm not, but it doesn't look like it's gone. Like it's there, but it's not as shiny. But you can definitely sublimate on it. Like it came through really nicely. And again, this was the one that I left for 4 to 5 seconds. This is the one that I left only for like 20 seconds. And that one, the paper still has all the color on it. So I'm gonna put that away and probably use it sometime later on. I have some water actually. Why not? So I don't have any napkins, but we'll make this work. Let me just close a couple of things out, make sure nothing electronic is around. We're good. Yeah, let's do this. Let's take some water and put it on this. Well, so I don't know that you can tell, but I have water on there. And it's holding, like it's not leaking. Like the water is right here. I don't know that you can tell. I'm trying to spill it, but there's, you know, it's holding. Interesting. I'm gonna put this in the water in the cap here, and look, it's beating up in the back. I don't know if you can tell the beats of the water there. I'm gonna try the same water on the non-sublimated one till it's dry. Here we go. Yeah, I almost spilled it. I think it'll be fine. Oh, I spilled it. But it definitely beats on this as well. Like you can tell right there. So I think it'll be fine. I mean, my little experiment, I think it's fine. I have busher paper down here, so I'm not to worry about it. Let me pick up this water on this one. And then look at the back of this one. So the back of this one looks more like the original unsublimated piece. But what it looks like, it's like it melted onto the fabric. And I wish I could show you this, but oops. let me go clean this. That's what the back of the non-sublimated one looks like. You see it's got that little trying at least shine to it. This is what the back of the other one's looking like. And see, it's got more of the texture of the fabric at the front now. And this was the one I did for about like 20 seconds. And this is the back of the one that I did the longest. Almost like it's got more of the front texture on it now. But it held the water just fine, just like the other one. So I'm just wondering, I think I'm going to try out a full diaper, and I think I am going to send it to someone. I'm going to try a diaper. I'm going to have to try one where I sublimate. I don't know that I can fit the whole diaper on there, but I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the front and then I'll do the back, or vice versa. I'll do either, but I'm going to get the whole diaper sublimated and I'm going to sew it up, and I need a volunteer. I need a volunteer that's willing to take this diaper and have it do his thing and then tell me how this works out, because this is so exciting. I mean, it looks beautiful. Look at the colors. I think I'm gonna end the video here. I'm gonna clean up all this little mess. I want to finish drinking my water. Really, that's what I was drinking, water. The water that I actually poured on these, whatever's left is on here, and then the rest I cleaned up with a rag because I spilled it out, so I was trying to show you stuff. But I'm excited. I'm definitely gonna try a diaper. I think that's the next video following this is actually gonna be me trying the actual cloth diaper. Oh, the possibilities if this were to work. Then again, I'm just going to use up what I have left, so we'll see. Alright, thank you all so much for watching. This video was a little bit different. Definitely, I think you're going to be seeing a couple more videos of this, just me experimenting. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Share this, please, and I will see you on the next one.